Welcome to this episode. So, coding. People often say it's hard, right?
Yeah, totally. But it's not really coding that's hard. It's the confusion about where to start.
Exactly. Most beginners get stuck because they don't have a clear path. Today, we're breaking down a simple three-step roadmap to get you coding, even if you're a complete beginner.
Right. And first, let's talk about the biggest mistake. People watch tons of tutorials, jump between languages, but never actually build anything.
Uh-huh. Watching code isn't the same as writing code. Coding is a skill you learn by doing, not just by watching.
So true. Step one is to pick one language, Python if you want something easy, or JavaScript if you're into web stuff, and focus on the basics.
Like variables, which are basically labeled boxes storing info, conditions that let your code make decisions, loops to repeat actions, and functions, which are reusable blocks of code.
Don't try to master everything at once. Just get comfortable with how code works. And hey, I can help here. Ask it to explain things like you're 10 or give simple examples.
Then step two is practice daily. You don't need hours, just 30 to 60 minutes. Solve small problems, tweak examples, even break your code and fix it.
Struggling means you're learning. If it feels too easy, you might just be watching again. Use AI to fix errors or get practice questions. It really cuts down frustration.
Finally, step three, build small projects. Start with something simple, a calculator, a to-do list, or a basic website.
Projects give you confidence and real understanding. Don't wait to feel ready. You get ready by building.
And AI is a great helper, but remember the AIYING method. Think about what you want, ask clear questions, and judge if the answers make sense.
So to wrap up, learn the basics, practice a little every day, and build projects. Coding isn't about talent, it's about consistency.
Yeah, start today. That's the best time.
Absolutely.